What if you could create professional quality marketing videos without hiring models or booking a studio? In this video, I will show you step by step how to turn simple stock photos into cool professional promo videos using one easy AI tool. Look, creators are using this tool to cut video costs by 80%. Let's start by looking at real examples made completely with this AI tool.
No more guessing settings. It's smart, sleek, and built to make laundry day way easier. Get the Aqua Wash.
Add a cozy touch to your space with our stylish hanging chair. Perfect for indoors or outdoors.
Alright guys, let's get started. The AI tool is called TopView AI, and they just released a new update featuring Product Avatar 2, which goes beyond handheld products. It now supports large, heavy, and wearable products such as furniture and outdoor gym equipment. To follow along, you can click on the link in the description to access the free version. So when you go to the interface, you're going to see something like this. Then right on this side, you can click on sign in, and you can use your email to sign in. So it's going to take you to this very window. When you look at the top, they have create marketing videos from links. On this very side, you can bring your links from Amazon, Shopify, eBay to create the videos. Then when you go down here, they have AI creation tools, and they have a whole lot of creation tools that you can use. But in this very video, we're going to focus on Avatar 2. Just click on that. It's going to take you to this very window. When you look down here, they have avatar templates that you can choose right away. When you scroll down, they have a whole lot of them to choose from. Also, you can use the categories at the top. So let's just say you have a big equipment, just like outdoor furniture. You can click on that, and it's going to give you some templates to use. When you go to sofa, you can see it has some templates that you can create from the start. But in this tutorial, we're going to create our own product avatar, so we can go to all. Then on this very side, we can use that. You can either create an image from the scratch using their AI tool, or you can upload from your computer. In this tutorial, I'm going to upload one from my PC. Click on upload. So on this side, I'm going to select the image that I want to use. I have one very image sitting on my desktop. Click on open. It's going to bring that gentleman right in this very side. On this side, make sure you select manual. We're going to go with the manual mode, not auto mode. We want to control everything ourselves. Then this is the place that you need to bring in your product image. So you can just click on that and select any product that you want to bring in. This, I want to bring in a washing machine, very large. I want to use it to show you guys how you can create. Then click on open. So this is how it's going to show on the image. When you click on this side, you can refine your cutouts. Let me show you guys. Click on it. It's going to bring this window out. So the image that I'm having, it has a transparent background, so there's nothing at the back. If yours is having transparent background, this is where you can make use of this. You will select this, already selected, and the color, I want to maintain it at yellow. Then I can brush. When you look down here, I was not able to select this part. So I can just brush it in using that very tool to select that very product image. Then when you use the eraser, you can clean. If you have some places to erase it off, you can use that. Then when you're done, you can click on confirm, and it's going to cut out your image if you don't have a transparent background. So right, it's done it perfectly, brought it in. Then you can click on this and really place it exactly where you want to place it. So if you want it to be on its left side, you can do that. If you want it to be on the right side, you can do that. So let me just go with this side. And also you can increase it. Then we can click on generate, and it's going to use 1 credit to generate our avatar image. So it is done. It's going to create 2 images for you right on this side. Let me click and show you. So this is the first image. Let me close this and open the second image. This is the second image. So whatever one you want to use, you can click to use that very one. And when you look down here, you can see what it's trying to do. It was able to create the shadows using the same shadows from the image. And this is really powerful. Now is the time to create our avatar video. Just click on create avatar. It's going to take you to this window. This is where the magic happens. On the top side, we're going to go for avatar 2. Just click on that. On that side, it's going to give you great lip movement, facial expression, also body movement. Then on this side, this is where we're going to bring in our prompt. Also, if you have an audio you want to use yourself, you can click on import audio to bring in your audio. But with this video, I want to make use of the text to audio using their AI tool. So I went to ChatGPT to create a prompt about washing machine ads, and I paste it on this side. Now let's go to the AI voice you want to use. click on this, it's going to take us to this window. They have a whole lot of AI voice you can use right on this side. But with this video, I'm going to go for Charles. The voice sounds so good. So I can go for that. Then you can click on confirm and it's going to add right on this side. Now let's add our subtitles. Click on that. It's going to bring us this window. So I can go with my favorites, click on that, and click on confirm. Now it is ready. Then we can click on that and it's going to start generating the video. The video is ready now and we're going to play and look at it.
Laundry taking too long? The AquaWash Pro 9000 gets it done faster using less water and energy. It auto-senses every load. No more guessing settings. It's smart, sleek, and built to make laundry.
Now about the pricing. It starts with the free version limited to 10 credits and goes all the way up to enterprise plan. To try TopView AI, you can check on the link in the description. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.